Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see what is SQL and we are going to see why we use SQL and other things. So let's start, and before that, if you are like this series, please do like and subscribe, so it will helpful for me to create more videos like this. So let's start. So SQL is a structured query language. It is a very powerful tool, or we can say it is a very powerful language for managing and manipulating relational databases. Discover the benefits of learning SQL and unlock its potential. Okay, so let's start with that. So what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language used for managing and querying structured data. It provides a standardized way to interact with databases, enabling you to retrieve, insert, update, and delete the statements in the language. Okay, so I hope you understand this definition of SQL language. So if you want, you can take a screenshot to recitation, so it will helpful for you. Then we are going to see why learn SQL. So SQL have a wide applicability. Okay, so SQL is used across various industries, and it's a fundamental skill of data analysis, business intelligence, and web development, and lot more things are there. Also, SQL is used to data manipulation, and SQL is a very demanding language to interact with the databases and to manipulate databases, and lot more things we can do with the help of SQL. Okay, so SQL, the language is used to communicate, as I can say, I already said, the SQL is used to communicate with the databases, and the data types in the SQL are like integers, floating numbers, string, dates, and lot more in that. So we will see in the next lecture data types in SQL. But in this lecture, just take a overview what is SQL. So after that, creating and manipulating table. So to create tables, learn how to define the structure. We are going to see it one by one. Then how to manipulate data with the help of SQL. Then how to make relationships in the table with the help of RDBMS in SQL. Okay, so these things we are going to see. If you want, you can take screenshot of every page, so it will helpful for you. Okay, or you can do one thing, you can comment your mail ID. I will share you this PPT in mail, okay, with you. So the next is retrieving data with select statement. So select statement is used to retrieve data from the database. Okay, and with the select statement we use where clause to filter the specific data from the database with the condition. After that, there is a joins in SQL. Again, there is aggregation functions in SQL. So yeah, and the last is SQL is used to filtering and sorting the data in the databases. So that's it about the SQL. So this is the use and advantages of SQL, why we use, where we use SQL. So if you want, you can take a screenshots of this PDF, or you can comment your mail ID. I will share with you this PDF. So in next lecture, we are going to see what are the data types in SQL. And next, our 2-3 lectures are like theoretical, and after that we are going to start the practical. But before going to start the practical, the like theoretical part is very important in it. So that's it in this video. So I hope you like it. If you like it, please do like and share and subscribe this channel, so it will helpful for you. And thank you so much, guys.